What is up, guys and girls? This is Glenn here once again with another RopeRage video. In this video we're looking at a boxing footwork technique called heel to toe. We're going to look at two variations though. An easier variation, which is just the regular heel to toe, and then after that we're going to look at a slightly more difficult variation which I call the Hopkins heel and toe, because the first person I saw doing it was boxing legend Bernard Hopkins. So let's talk through the first one. The heel to toe, you're going to kick one foot out, tap the ground with your heel, and then kick back, tap it with your toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, and so on. What I'd advise is starting off with the footwork, throw your rope away and just focus on the footwork. Heel, toe, focus on the rhythm. Second one, Hopkins heel and toe, slightly trickier. Whereas a heel to toe regularly is 2 steps, bang, 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 bang. For the Hopkins heel to toe, it's 3. What he does is he steps out with the heel, across his other leg for the toe, back again with the heel, and then back, right and left. So heel, back, heel, toe, heel, back. Hopkins, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel to toe, heel. Alright, and that's about it. Remember, there's no shame in setting the rope aside and just focusing on the footwork first before then introducing the rope. Have fun with it, work at picking up speeds as always. This will just make those connections sharper, make you able to command the move quicker. Let me know what you think of the techniques on first sight as you're looking at these techniques, what you might struggle with, what you are struggling with. Let me know down below. I'm happy to talk about it as always, and until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.